I literally don't take any trades without using this secret Chrome extension. Before I tell you what it is, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, and most importantly, join my Discord, Soul Mafia. It is the #1 way you can become a better trader. Also, download BullX because it's what we use with this extension and it's how we trade. I really didn't want to make this video. I wanted to gatekeep this and keep it for myself. Potion Vision is an extension that lets you see twice the amount of statistics that you usually would using a bot like BullX. And so you can make incredibly quick, informed decisions before anyone else, get your entries so much earlier, and literally double your profits, and even go from being an unprofitable trader to being a profitable trader with just how useful this extension is. First, you have bundle analytics. So I can go to my tokens right here, and every single time a token pops up, I can see exactly how much of the supply is bundled instantly, the amount of bundles there are, the unique wallets, the buys that are bundled, invalid transactions, how much dollars of bundling there is in the token. And then I can also see developer statistics. So I can click on the dev wallet and it'll take me to the SOL scan of the developer. I can go right here and look at how much SOL the dev has in his account, how many tokens he's created in the past, his total transactions, so much info already. If it were only this, I would still be spending the $100 a month that this extension costs, because that already is so worth it, right? If I see a new token, what I usually would do, instead of looking for the 61%, I would have to click on the token CA, open up a new tab, go to TrenchBot, put in the address, and then wait for this to load. And as this is loading, I'm saving so much time scanning, and it's already insane. But if it wasn't good already, there's even more to it. You can actually hover now over the X and over the description of the coin, and you can find out exactly what a coin is, where the links go, if the links are active or not. And then it also gives you statistics on the Twitter itself. It tells you how many times the Twitter was reused in the past, and it shows you the amount of posts he has, the amount of followers, the amount of times the Twitter was recycled, the tokens that use the exact same Twitter account, so you know if this coin is being rugged or not and repeated or not. It gives you so many statistics that you can instantly rule out certain coins and just scan in a much quicker, easier way, and you will always, literally always, get better entries than anyone else using this extension. I'll be in a voice chat listening to other people trade, and this coin will come up and someone will say, oh, is this bundled? And they'll be checking it, and I already know exactly if it's bundled or not before they even ask the question. That's all I got for you guys. The extension costs about $100 a month, but you make that tenfold just by buying it. And then I would highly recommend you check it out. Link is in the description below. It works on BullX, and you should be using BullX Neo. In addition to this, it's literally the best tool set that you can have to make money in this bull market. I can show you how to install it, but all you have to do is go on the Chrome web store, install it with the link in the bio, click on Potion, ready to trade on Neo, and it automatically takes you to Neo and sets you up. And then you go to the website if you want, and I'll put these links in the bio, but I go to potionvision/start, click on Neo, and I'm already using Potion Vision. It's so easy to use. There's literally no setup, and yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it all the way here, I know that you are one of the elites, and we're gonna make a shit ton of money together. Once again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media and join my Discord, Soul Mafia. It's the best thing you can do as a trader, and you have one-on-one access to me for free for a limited time only. All right, I'll see you guys next time.